The other day, at the end of our one-on-one lesson, Linda said to me, "My uncle is coming from Taiwan to see me. I look forward to meet him." I said to Linda, "Your last sentence sounded odd." Yes, I told Linda that her sentence sounded odd. The correct sentence is, "I look forward to meeting him." We need to put ing at the end of meet. The reason being is that to in look forward to is a preposition. Remember this important formula. Prepositions must be followed by nouns. Gerunds are a type of nouns. To make the gerund of meet, we simply add ing to the end of meet. For example, look forward to meeting you is the correct sentence. Here comes the problem. Ki-o has two attributes. One is infinitive, two, preposition. Let's look at two examples. When to is an infinitive, I want you to go home. A note. You must have noticed I put a star at the end of infinitive, because technically to is not an infinitive. To go is. For easy explanations, I just call to an infinitive so as to compare to its counterpart of preposition. When to is a preposition, I am dedicated to teaching English. Teaching is our gerund. You might ask, Coach Albert, how would I know whether to is an infinitive or a preposition? This is a good question. Now I have a headache. Here, I have good news for you. According to my research, 99% of the time, to is an infinitive. Only 1% of the time, to is a preposition. So if we can identify these 1% of prepositions and get to know them well, then we will speak error-free English. This is a principle I call management by exception. I have since identified the following 5 sets of verb plus to, where to is a preposition. Number 1, I look forward to talking to you. Number 2, I am used to eating lamb. Number 3, I have gotten used to living in the city. Number 4, I'm committed to attending your graduation. Number 5, I'm dedicated to protecting the environment. I have also identified 9 sets of noun plus to, where to is a preposition. Number 1, I have an answer to making you healthy. Number 2, I have a solution to saving your city. Number 3, it is the secret to finding the gold mine. Number 4, it is the key to defending our country. Number 5, this is the path to achieving your success. Number 6, this is my journey to building my own house. Number 7, this is her barrier to becoming a movie star. Number 8, this is the approach to learning English. Number 9, the steps to learning English are simple. Here are 2 adjective plus to combos where to is a preposition. Number 1, I am open to hearing your opinion. Number 2, this area is subject to flooding. Closing. In this workshop, we discussed a common headache. We do not know whether to is an infinitive or a preposition. We also introduced the golden rule. Memorize the principles and know the exceptions. We identified the exceptions where to's are prepositions. 5 sets of verb plus 2 combos. 9 sets of noun plus 2 combos. 2 sets of adjective plus 2 combos. This is our biggest hope that you will no longer have headaches. Lastly, thank you for viewing this video and supporting our channel. Don't forget to like this video and to subscribe to our channel. See you next time.